Hey guys, welcome back. Last week, we seasoned that griddle. This week, this is what I like to fix on that first go around on my brand new seasoned griddle. Hey, it's gonna be some good groceries. Let's get started. That's some good groceries. I know you're on the edge of your seats to know what am I going to fix. Whenever I get a brand new griddle, first things first, got to have breakfast. And we're doing a BLT. And you know, we're going to church it up a little bit, but BLTs, bacon, love cooking bacon, especially for that first go around. First, new silicone mat from Blackstone. Get it at your Lowe's hardware. And a lot of people have asked for that. So there you have it, going over to Lowe's and get you one. We're gonna get our brand new seasoned griddle pre-warm, low heat, okay? Nice and black, nice and smooth. We're getting ready to christen this thing. All right, we got our cover off. Now it is time to get our bacon. Now, little tip for me to you. On packaged bacon like this, how to get it out of the package a lot easier. Roll it off a little bit like that, and they'll come off a lot easier. Just some old standard run-of-the-mill thick cut bacon. All right, we'll get that onto the griddle. I like to start my bacon off on a cool griddle, the one that's not real hot, and that way it just comes up to temperature a little bit slower, renders a little bit more fat, but that might just be me. While our bacon is going down, got a few other things to take care of. I thought, what a nice fresh loaf of bread, like, you know, nice sourdough bread. My supermarket, they carry this. Why not, right? Why not? Make it really bougie. So I'm gonna start off, I wanna just kinda get you a nice bread knife. Just gonna lop off this side here. And we'll start making, actually I like it this way, nice thick slices. There we go. That's perfect right there. Oh yeah, look at that. Make two nice sandwiches out of that. If you can find somebody that's local to you that makes bread, even better. Some of these ladies make some fantastic bread. All right, we got our bread slice. I want to get some tomatoes now. Love a nice homegrown tomato. Still a little early, but we're coming up on it soon. This is just like a beefsteak tomato. Nice, even slices. That way the neighbors come over, they're not judging you. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Woo. Now, one thing I like for the supermarkets, for vendors to kind of do some work for me, I like to use this green leaf lettuce. It's triple washed, perfect for a sandwich. You don't have to mess with the whole head yourself. There you go. All right, we have everything prepped. We're just waiting for the bacon. But I would love to know bacon scale, 1 to 10. 1 being very floppy, like raw, 10 being crispy, and it crumbles, it's dust. What are you? Tell me down below. Tell me what level of bacon you like yours. All right. This right here is pretty much perfect to my liking. All right, bacon's done. Let's put that right over onto our napkin. Boy, that bacon's good. Did you let me know what your bacon doneness level is down there, 1 to 10? I do want to know. We got some awesome bacon grease laying here. We got to use it. We got to use it. We're going to take our bread and we're gonna toast it right into that bacon grease. All right, let's see where we're at. Yeah. Listen, we don't want a real big toast on this. Just looking to get it warmed. A little bit of crunch to it. That's perfect. All right, let's go over to the cutting board. There we go. Let's finish this BLT off. BLT, state laws, gotta have mayonnaise. Boy, I can't wait. I love, especially summer, nice fresh tomato. Nothing like it in the world. Add some bacon. How many you think you should go? 3? 3. Let's do 3. Come in with our tomato. Now, one thing you want to do, always want to season your tomatoes. Always. A little pinch of salt, a little bit of pepper. Get that pretty lettuce. Just like that. Okay. Put our top on. Ooh. Yeah, boys, look at that. That is a beautiful, beautiful sight. Well, there's only one thing left to do. It's to give this sandwich a try. Oh yeah, hear that crunch? Boy, that's some good groceries right there. Cheers, y'all. The bacon, nice and smoky, meaty. Get that thick cut. I like mine about a 5-6, my bacon. I like it with a little bit of chew to it. That sourdough bread is pretty good. It's a smaller sandwich than say like a loaf bread, but I'll tell you what makes it for me, y'all. With the lettuce and tomato, gives it another little crunch and brininess. Especially with the tomato. Seasoning that tomato has to happen. It just has to happen. Y'all, hey, give us BLT a try after you get a brand new griddle, or for whenever, doesn't matter. Hey, I appreciate you watching. Head on over to the Blackstone Network where you see other awesome videos just like this. Hey, I'm Matt Hussey. That's some good groceries.